Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to easily build a multi-page website right in Canva. First, click Create, then select Website. Choose the website we will use from the list. Next, select a template. In this case, pick the sample website. To add the template to your project, click the Add button. This will load the template, allowing you to customize it further for your needs. Follow these steps to quickly start building your website using the selected template. Next, add a new page by clicking the Add Page button in the toolbar. Customize the layout and content to suit your project's needs efficiently and quickly. Return to your template and select the desired page. Next, add the new content or elements you want to include on this page to customize your design effectively. On page 1, click Add Section. Choose the desired section from the options. Navigate to page 2 to view your newly added section. This completes adding a section to your project efficiently. On page 1, review your content. Next, add a third page by clicking the plus icon. Then, select Add a section to insert a new area on page 3. This lets you organize content efficiently across multiple pages in your project. Fill out the form completely. Proceed to the fourth page, which contains only 2 fields, and enter the required information to continue. Now that our multi-page website is ready, you can edit any page as needed. Click the page you want to modify, then review and update the content or settings. Make sure to check all details carefully to ensure consistency across your site. Save your changes to apply updates immediately. In the Contact Us section, add your desired link. Once finished, click the Share button. Then, download your updated content to save the changes securely. Ensure all information is correct before sharing or downloading. Increase the size for best quality, or choose to save your file as a PDF standard for optimized sharing. Check the Pages section to ensure all items are selected before proceeding to the next step. Click Done, then click Download to save your file. Now you can create a multi-page Canva website with ease. Like and subscribe for more quick design tips.